guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a super excited video, and this is the first video for this channel on this box. Today's video we're going to be trying on, unboxing, talking about Boxycharm Premium. You guys are familiar with my every month base Boxycharm box, and finally I got to try the premium box. Thank you, Boxycharm. First I'm gonna show you guys one by one all the products that come in June premium Boxycharm, and then afterwards we're gonna try some of them on. But first we're gonna go through the products. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula. That's my channel. Here we do everything beauty lifestyle kind of a video. If this is what you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, enjoy the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much to my return subscriber. I love you guys coming back. Thank you for coming back to support me. I appreciate you guys a bunch. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box subscription. You have a few different boxes. You have the base box that you $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size beauty products from many good brands. Your box comes with a full-size product, and sometimes go up to $125 worth of product. The Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month and come with 6 full-size products, and the box go up to $175 sometimes, and it's fabulous. This is the 2 main box, and then you have BOXYCHARMSNEAKPEEK. That is a quarter box, and they also have box pop-up, which is amazing. Comes with so many amazing products. Boxycharm Premium come with 6 full-size luxury brand products. So if you guys are interested in Boxycharm, I'm gonna leave the link below if you guys are interested in subscribing, or just check them out. They have amazing products. It's a good way to, if you're starting like your makeup little thing, it's a great way for you to start building up your collection, because every month you get a little surprise box in the mail with many skincare and makeup and beauty products, which is amazing. All the Boxycharm, if you don't know, it comes with this little card here. This month's theme is Dare to be Dazzled. Here on this little card you have the information about all the products that come, a little bit description about them, and the price. The first product here is going to be Marc and Jacob's Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara, which is this beauty here. And this mascara retail for $27, and that's what the mascara look like out of the box. Experience ultimate volume and the look of thick false lashes. The lash maximizing curve brush places the most volume at the heart to reach center of the lash line, and the defining tip styles the lashes. This mascara ultra concentrate black pigment deliver the greatest impact and the flash volume complex, creating instantaneous smudge free length and volume 3 strokes or less. And that's true, this mascara is amazing. So I'm using today, and I'm gonna show you guys trying on. It's amazing, give you so much volume. So this was product number 1 in June Boxycharm Premium. So the next product here is One Size Secure the Blur Hydrating Eye Patches, and we also want to be trying this today, and you guys can see how my eyes is amazing, blurred and hydrated. And this is the One Size Secure the Blur Hydrating Under Eye Patches, a pack of 6 super size under eye patches that helps hydrate the puff, reduce the appearance of dark circle, fine lines, and texture. Get into this self-care moment. And this little box with 6 patches retails for $25, and this was the first time that I tried this product. So this was product number 2 in June Premium Boxycharm. The next product here in Regimen 1.85 HA Booster Hydrating Serum with a concentrate of 3 formula of hyaluronic acid, micro, macro, and cross-linked to infuse the skin, lock in moisture at various levels, restore optimal level of hydration. Free from silicones and synthetic fragrance, 99.2% natural origin ingredients. And this retail for $115. This serum is $115. I'm looking forward to this serum a lot, and also we're going to be trying today, and I'm going to show you guys that's how the serum looks out of the box. Have to be like amazing. Yes, we're gonna be trying this today. And that was our third product. The next product here is going to be the Moroccanoil Perfect Defense. Moroccanoil Perfect Defense is a way less dry aerosol heat protective spray, nourished with argan oil and vitamin fueled formula. Hair hydrate the hair while protecting against heat damage effect of the heat, styling up to 450 Fahrenheit. And this product retails for $25, and this was our fourth product on June Boxycharm Premium, which is fabulous. I'm so looking forward to this. And you guys can see how my hair looks so shiny, so beautiful. I did use this today before I styled my hair, but unfortunately I wasn't able to catch on the camera. So our next product here is going to be ZOEVA Pure Velour Lip, soft as velvet. The ultra creamy formula glides onto the lips, smooth, combining an intense color with a longer lasting formula. Sets to a matte finish. The Velvet Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick delivers supple and full lips. The formula of liquid lipstick is 100% free of animal delivered ingredient, fragrance, mineral oils, paraffin. This lipstick retails for $15. This is the lippies that I'm using today, and it's super beautiful. This shade, very pretty. I'm very excited for ZOEVA. I think this is the second time I tried something from them, and I'm really liking the brand. Last but not least is going to be this Floss Beauty, the Concierge Cheek and Lip Tint. Oh, I'm so loving this product. A hydrating cheek and lips tint for effortless beach vibes, formulate for a convenience and easy to use. Though it's waterproof, no brush needed. Tinted blends seamless into the skin for all that they wear. Apply direct on the cheek and lips and blend out with the tip of your fingers. And this retail for $22. I'm really excited for this. You know, I really like it for summertime or spring, like the warm weather. I like to have more like creamy base product, so I give you more that. I'm using this today as our blush, and I did have a little bit on the lips, but I did put the ZOEVA lipstick in the top. So, but it's very pretty and give you that beautiful dewy blush effect, which I love it. It looks so much better than the dry blush. Product is the last one on June Boxycharm Premium, and this one retails for $22. That's all for this BOXYDAZZLE box. Thank you Boxycharm for being a partner. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be trying this Skin Regimen HA Booster Hydra Plumping Concentrate. Now we're going to be trying these Secure the Blur Under Eye Patches. Open this one here. Okay, so we have one here. This is so big. You know, regular eye patch would not be this big. Alright, so I'm going to leave it there for a little while. As I leave these patches to sit in place, I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back so we can see the results for these Secure the Blur One Size patches. I'll be right back with you guys when I finish my makeup so we can try the next product. I have my full face done. The only thing I don't have on is mascara, lipstick and blush, because that's gonna be the next product we're going to be trying. For eyelash, we have here this Marc and Jacobs Velvet Major Volume Mascara. Alright, so let's talk about volume. This mascara is amazing. Great volume. Oh my god, I'm so impressed. Whoa, amazing. My new favorite mascara for sure. So now that we have the mascara on, We're going to go to our next product, and our next product is gonna be this Floss Clean Beauty, the Concierge Chicken Lip Tint in the shade Sandals. I'm going to use a brush for apply this product so I don't make a mess on my makeup. So first I'm gonna add a little bit on my lips. Beautiful shade, right up my alley. So I'm gonna pick up a little bit of product here, and then I'm just gonna dip my brush in. Very pretty. I really like the color. This is perfect for summer. Very pretty, and I'm excited for this brand since it's the first time that I'm trying. So yeah, the next product is going to be the Pure Velour Lip Natural Aesthetic Liquid Lipstick from ZOEVA. And I actually like the brand, so let's try this lippy. This is a beautiful shade, a very pretty shade. And I hope you guys enjoyed this box. I see you guys in the next video. I love you guys.